guys, welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sue. I make hair care, skincare and makeup videos for the more mature women. Today I wanted to talk about things that I have been loving in the month of October. So it was a toss-up between doing an empties video or doing October favorites, and I decided to do favorites because these are things that I really wanted to share with you. So the first thing is an oldie but a real goodie, and that is my Nuface microcurrent device. Now, I hadn't used this for a couple of months. It was languishing at the bottom of my cupboard, and I decided to get it out and fire it up. And I had forgotten how amazing this device is. And if you've got one of these and you haven't used it in a while and you're kind of a little bit on the fence and you don't really think it's doing anything, my advice to you would be to get it out and use it. I was quite amazed at the results after just one use. Now, the results are very subtle and they're cumulative, so if you're using it all the time, it's quite natural that you'd probably begin to think, you're not really sure if it's working. But having not used it for a couple of months and then having used it again after just one use, I was really quite amazed at the results. So really loving that, and I'm glad that I've reincorporated it back into my skincare routine. With the Nuface device, I use Silver Genesis Super Hydra Gel. This is really affordable. It's about 129 Rand for 200 ml. It does have aloe vera gel in it, and it's a great conductor of microcurrent. Really enjoying this product and would highly recommend it. The next products that I'm going to be talking about are from a South African brand called SkinFunctional, and I stumbled upon these quite by accident on the internet. And I decided to try 3 of their products. Now, they've got a huge product range. I'll leave their website URL below so you can go and have a look. But the 3 products that I chose were some acids. So I chose the 10% L-ascorbic acid, which I incorporate in my morning skincare routine, and I have done a video on that. And then in my nighttime skincare routine, I use the 10% azelaic acid. And I also use the 0.5% retinol. Now, I've been using these for 3 months now, and I must say I absolutely love them. And I can't wait to try some more products from this brand. And just on that note, I wanted to talk a little bit about the packaging. Now, obviously, I bought these online, and I was very impressed at the presentation and the packaging that they came in. So they came in a recyclable cardboard box like that, and inside the products were beautifully wrapped with some tissue paper, and then underneath that there was a little bit of straw in the box just to keep the products in place. And then all 3 products came wrapped in a beautiful little ribbon like that. And then as part of the package, you also get a little personalized welcome note just saying, welcome to the brand. We hope that you enjoy your skincare journey with us. You get a little motivational card. And then you also get instructions on how to use the products that you've bought. So I was really impressed. And I think the insight here is that when you are investing in skincare, you oftentimes spending as much as or more than you would when you're buying a handbag or a pair of shoes. And so presentation and packaging is everything, because it says that the brand recognizes that you are investing in their products. And you also feel that you really are investing in your skincare, because just right off the bat, when products come to you and they're beautifully wrapped, and I don't mean with heaps and heaps of bubble wrap or plastic or wrapping that's extraneous. When they're really cleverly done like this, I just think kudos to the brand and a real thumbs up to SkinFunctional for presentation and also for their beautiful products, which I'm absolutely loving. Another product which is a holy grail of mine and which I've also done a video about, which I will link up above, is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now, in my video, I talk about the evolution of the product, and interestingly, they have just done another evolution. So they've reformulated the product, and it now comes in a glass bottle. So this is still the plastic packaging. So I'm really looking forward to the new evolution of the product. But until then, I'm going to continue using the current formulation, which I absolutely love and swear by. So really enjoying that. Another couple of products that I'm still loving, and I've also done a video on these, are the Neutrogena Cellular Boost Day Cream and Night Cream. And really enjoying these. They're really beautiful on the skin, they absorb quickly, and I do feel like my skin is nourished and it's being taken care of. And I apply these after I've applied all of my other acids or serums, and really loving those as well. Another product which is quite affordable, and I've been using this for some months now, is my Nivea Sun Shine Control SPF 50. Really enjoy this. It's very affordable, and I find that it works just as well, if not better, than some of my other higher end SPFs. So I wanted to include this. If you're looking for something that is really affordable, it's a fantastic one to use. It doesn't leave a white cast, it sits well under makeup, and you can afford to use it quite liberally because it is really an affordable product. And then onto some hair care. A couple of products that I've been using for about 6 weeks or so are the Joico Defy Damage Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, I have really processed hair. I have a Brazilian in my hair, and my hair is color treated, and I find that these are fantastic. They great consistency. The conditioner is beautiful. It's quite thick. You can leave it in for about 10 minutes or so if you want a mask for your hair, or you can just leave it in for a couple of minutes as you would an ordinary conditioner. But absolutely love those products from Joico. And then last but not least, I wanted to include my Revlon HD Vinyl lip polish, and this is what I've got on today. And absolutely love this. It's quite an opaque lip gloss. It's very comfortable on the lips, and they've got some beautiful shades in the range. So if you can get your hands on one of these, I would highly recommend. So guys, those are my October favorites. Let me know what your October favorites are. If there's anything that you've been using that has really stood out for you, I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.